Well, this is an example to toggle two LED at the different frequency for the robotic platform. So to begin with, I'm gonna make some new parameters so we can track what is going on. So let's call this T1 and let's make this 3 seconds. So basically, every 3 seconds, LED1 gonna toggle, and let's make another variable called another new one called T2, and let's make this 5 seconds. And we also need to track how long the LED has been on. So let's make this one to be L1, let's say. And L1 will start off will be 0. And make another variable to track how long the LED2 has been on. And this will be 0. And also I want to track the current state, if it's on or off. So let's make this one to be O1. So the naming for this variable in this platform can only be 2 letters. So if you have more than 2 letters, then it will report an error. So let's say if we want to make 2-1, let's say can only be 2 characters. So let's make this O2 and 0. So 0, I'm representing the LED start off, it's 0, so it's off. And if it's O1 or O2, if it's 1, and assuming it's on, so I can track the LED state for this. So next, I'm gonna make some variables. So the first one I want to make is setup. So in the setup, I will initialize all those variables, put it nicely in a small loop, small routine. So this is gonna be similar to the Arduino board we did last time. So this is my initial condition. T1, T2 is how long it needs to be on, how long we need to toggle it. L1, L2 is tracking how long it has been on. And O1, O2 is tracking the current state. So let's make another function. Let's call it LED1. So in this one, I will say, let's put the if condition here. And I will say if, let's do a logic here. If my L1 is greater or equal than T1, that means I need to toggle it, right? And in this case, I put another if condition and say if my O1 equal to 0, that means it's off. In that case, I want it to be on. So you can see the connection is here. So this branch, it's in the the true condition branch. So in this case, if O1 is not equal to 1, means it's on already. I want it to be off. So this will be the LED1, which is on port 1. This is port 1. And here, after I reset this, then I'm gonna need to update the value so it can track whatever the state. So here I turn it on, then I need to say, okay, my variable O1 gonna be 1, and here, if I just turn it off, I will see O1 will be 0 because I just turned it off. And also, that's update here. And here, when I toggle the light, I need to reset my time, L1 to back to 0. Because otherwise, next time I execute this, it will always be true. It's also gonna be toggle light. So here I want to say the value L1, I'm gonna reset it back to 0. So this is the function LED1, and we can make a function LED2. Will be very similar to what we have here. So first the if condition, and I'm gonna say if my L2 greater than greater or equal than T2, then I need to toggle it. And if here my O2 is equal to 0, then I will need to turn it on. And then I will need to reset it. It's LED2. And my variable here, I need to update my status O2. I turn it on, so I need to be 1 here. And same goes on here. If it's equal to 1, means it's on, and then I need to turn it off here. And then I reset my value here, O2, back to 0, because I just turned it off here. And then I also need to reset my time tracking variable O2 back to 0, not O2, L2 back to 0. So here, once I start, I'm going to put an infinite loop. And inside the loop, first I'm going to say, I'm going to delay 1 second. After delay 1 second, I will need to update my L1 and L2, right? So here will be L1 plus value 1, and assign it back to L1. Where is it? So here L1 plus value 1 and equal back to L1. And also I need to update parameter L2 the same way. L2 plus value 1. Here it's only allowed to be integer, so I'm going to use integer. As we delayed 1 second, then my timer need to add 1 second. After adding this, then I will call the function LED1 and LED2 to see if I need to update it or not. And if I need to update it, then it will if I do need update it, then I will check the state and then I will toggle the lights. Otherwise, I won't do that. And now we can give it a try.